You park your car under a tree, just for a few minutes, but when you come back, it's too late. A shiny, sticky spot of tree sap right on your windshield. And not just that, dead bugs smeared across your hood like battle scars. You try wiping it with water. Nothing. Soap? Nope. The more you rub, the worse it gets. And now, your paint's at risk. What's worse? This doesn't just happen to cars. It clings to shoes, outdoor furniture, tools, even clothing. So how do you remove sap and bug guts from anything without making it worse? If you've ever battled this sticky nightmare, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because today, I'm going to show you how to outsmart one of the nastiest messes in nature, without harming your stuff. The silent attack of sap and bugs. Tree sap is like nature's glue. It seeps slowly, invisibly, and when it hardens, it bonds with anything it touches. Add dead bugs into the mix? That's a recipe for a cleaning disaster. And yet, it's so common. Park under a pine tree, leave your patio table out for one weekend, walk through a park trail. Suddenly, your belongings are coated in a stubborn mess that feels impossible to clean. And the worst part? Most people use the wrong tools, harsh chemicals, scrubbers, and end up scratching paint, damaging plastic, or ruining fabric. But if you understand how sap and bug residue bond to surfaces, you can remove them cleanly, safely, and with very little effort. Step 1. For cars, alcohol is your best friend. Let's start with the most common scenario, your car. Whether it's sap or bug residue, the key is to break down the sticky sugars without scratching your paint. The best solution? Rubbing alcohol. Just soak a cotton pad in isopropyl alcohol and gently press it on the sap for 30 seconds. Don't rub, just press. The alcohol dissolves the sap's grip on the surface. After that, it wipes away like butter. And for bug splatter, a mix of warm water, a drop of dish soap, and a microfiber towel does the trick. No scrubbing needed. Just let the cloth sit on the spot for a minute, and it lifts right off. No scratches, no damage, just results. Step 2. For outdoor furniture and plastics. Patio chairs, tables, plastic bins, they're sap magnets. And here, the trick is oil. Use a little bit of cooking oil or WD-40. Spray it directly on the sap. Tree sap on your lawnmower? Bugs stuck to your bike frame? Here, you can be a little more aggressive. Use Goo Gone, mineral spirits, or even hand sanitizer. Apply with a rag, wait a minute, and wipe clean. Then rinse with warm water. Don't use sharp objects to scrape. Metal against metal can cause permanent scratches. And always finish with a little protective oil or wax to keep future sap from sticking so easily. This part is important. Do not use nail polish remover, acetone, or gasoline on delicate surfaces like car paint or clothing. These will remove the stain and also the finish. Don't use steel wool, harsh brushes, or scouring pads unless you're dealing with raw metal, and don't assume soap and water are enough. Sap is hydrophobic. It repels water, so if you don't use the right solvent, you'll end up spreading it, or worse, damaging what you're trying to save. The psychology of clean gear. Think about it. When you leave sap or bug stains for later, they build up, and over time, you start treating your things with less care. Your car feels dirty even after a wash. Your patio feels sticky no matter how much you clean. That affects how you use your space, how you treat your stuff, and ultimately how you feel. Removing sap isn't just about appearance, it's about pride. It's about restoring your space to how it was meant to feel: clean, functional, respected. Outsmart nature, don't fight it. Sap and bugs may be stubborn, but they're not invincible. And the moment you learn how to beat them, with alcohol, oil, vinegar, or even just time and cold, you shift the power back to yourself. You protect your things, you save money, and you avoid unnecessary stress. Because sometimes, the most frustrating problems have the simplest solutions. If this helped you rescue something from a sticky mess, like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and drop your favorite cleaning hack in the comments. Whether it's about bugs, stains, or something bizarre you once cleaned, let's share the knowledge. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Because clean spaces aren't just about looks, They're about peace of mind,